Hello, my name is Loran from GDC, and today I'm here to present you the Tricorne, which is a new product, and we are so proud in GDC to get this product released. We have the best Tricorne LED screen for cinemas. This screen is a new revolution because it's perforated. Before, with the LED, you have a sound issue. We fixed the issue because every Tricorne are perforated and is sound transparency. Sound transparency means that behind the screen you can put all the speaker you want, whatever the brand, the sound will be much better, because also we have so many perforation on the screen. About the image, because this kind of screen allows to do HDR and HFR with a very great 3D as well. Great 3D because you have much more light, which means that we are going to get a really great quality in 2D and in 3D. And you have also a lot of brightness with a very long lifetime. But the pitch, because we have 2.5, 3.3, and we can also make a pitch, this kind of screen is also scalable, which is also something different that we had before, because we can do wall-to-wall, sitting to the floor, and we can have that all the size. Of course, we start from 7 meters to 30 meters or more, and we adapt our screen to all your wish. We are going to open the biggest LED screen in the world in Germany, Nuremberg. The size will be 30 meters, 30, which is amazing, by 16 meters with a wall technology. We can also do curve or straight. This is a great thing that we can have now. This screen is also HDR and HFR. It's an HDR DCI approved, with working with our fantastic new server, which is also the only server which is DCI HDR. So this is really something that is an ecosystem on the GDC Galaxy, where you can bring the best quality to your customers. So I did explain you all this screen, just incredible. But the best way to understand is to come to Madrid to see this screen, because Madrid, it's exactly what I told you about the installation. It's a curved screen, so you can really see what exactly is the image. You can hear the sound. Oh, it's amazing. Even on the industry, everyone is speaking about this screen on LED, oh, it's performed so well. You have to see and hear yourself. So please reach us, our GDC contact. You will never regret to be on the revolution and to get the best experience for the customer. Reach us.